A student brought up the point that I had missed discussing ordered dictionary during the last class, and so I thought I'd make a quick little demonstration of how to create an ordered dictionary and the key differences between an ordered dictionary and a regular dictionary. The differences are an ordered dictionary is a dictionary that preserves the order in which you add or insert keys. And what that means is insertion order matters. If you insert keys in a certain sequence, like A, B, and then C, the dictionary will keep the exact sequence when you iterate over the keys. Number two, iterating reflects order. Looping through the dictionary will always give you the keys in the order they were inserted. Now, in contrast to that, a regular dictionary in Python 3.7 or later does also remember insertion order for iteration, but it does not use that order when checking for equality. Meanwhile, an ordered dictionary compares both the contents and the insertion order when determining if two ordered dictionaries are the same. So, to put it in other terms, a regular dictionary maintains its insertion order for iteration, but equality checks do not consider this order. An ordered dictionary maintains insertion order for iteration, and order is considered when comparing equality between the two ordered dictionaries. Additionally, an ordered dictionary has extra methods, such as the move to the end method, that'll let you change the position of a key after it's inserted. And this can be critical in some cases, such as the least recently used LRU cache, where you might want to reorder keys as they are accessed. And then thirdly, you would want to use an ordered dictionary if you need to reorder keys after insertion, such as using the move to the end method. Also, if your code relies on exact insertion order for things like equality checks or specialized operations, for example, caching or prioritizing certain items. And most of the programs that I've written, I have not used ordered dictionaries. So it's something that I don't think is commonly used, but is handy. Now, to give an example of an ordered dictionary, we first have to import the ordered dictionary from the collections library in Python. And that's so that we can access the ordered dictionary and its methods. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create an ordered dictionary with the keys inserted in a certain order. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Next, I'm going to iterate over the ordered dictionary. So let me just put that in here. We'll use our good friend, the for loop. For each key in the ODICT dictionary, which this is the ODICT dictionary, for each key in here, the key is going to be this. Then let's print the key and the ODICT key. So let's go ahead and do that. And of course, I did not write this properly. What I forgot to do is create an instance of the ordered dictionary. Populated it without creating it, so let's do that first. Okay, so on line 3, I created an instance of the ordered dictionary, and this is the ordered dictionary method, and then we're assigning it to this memory location that we're calling odict, and then odict is we're with that ordered dictionary. Then we are now adding the keys, and now we're going to run this again. Okay, so now we have A in 1, B2, and C3. So we have our keys and our odict key. So now that's how we iterate over that. The output preserves the ordered keys. So that is one of the main differences. Okay, so now let's do another thing that we can do here. Let's move A to the end. So we're going to go back to our odict, use the property move underscore to underscore end, and then A. So that should do the move, and then we're going to want to print it out. So let's see, dot items and list. I'm going to put it in a list, and then finally the print. Okay, so now here we pull out the items, we then put them into a list, and then we print out the list. So pretty simple. Let's, I'm going to hashtag this part away, and this part also, so that we can just run the new one. And now you can see A is at the end. It's pretty simple. So again, when we insert 3 keys in the order of A, B, C, and when we loop through it, we are showing the keys in the same order they were inserted. And that happened here, A, B, C. Now, using the move to the end, we reposition the A to the end of the ordered dictionary, and that's how we manually control the ordering in the ordered dictionary. At the end of the day, the ordered dictionary ensures keys are iterated in the exact order that you inserted them, and use that order when checking if the 2 ordered dictionaries are the same. Regular dictionaries do not remember the insertion order for iteration. Or excuse me, I said that wrong. They do remember the insertion order for iteration, but not for equality. And then again, they also lack any specialized ordering methods, such as the move to the end method. And that is it.